Let's create an array, then select our data and change them. So I import my library np, and then I want to create a variable like a np.array, and then I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the last number are 7, 8, and 9. I forget to use this bracket, and now we solve this error. So let's see what we have is our array, and let's select one of our data. I type a and open a bracket. I type an index here. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3. I type 0 and print it out. It shows me this number 1, 2, 3. There are a bunch of numbers that collected here in one bracket, and it shows me as a data. All of this data have the same index, and if I want to select a particular number like 2 from this array, I should use two brackets. So I type a, and then I type 0 for first index, and then I type 1 for selecting this number, and then print it out. You can see Jupyter show me 2. Let's try again and use what we learned to select this number or 6. I type 1 for first index, and then I type 2 to select 6. But in cases like this, we can select our data without use of two brackets. We can do this more simple, and it's the way we do this. I type a, open a bracket, I type 1, comma 2, and then print it out, and we see these do completely like this method. And let's try this in other ways. I type 0 and 1, print it out, and it show the same result. If I equals one of our data with a new data and print our array again, what can be happen? Let's do this and find the answer of this problem. I type a, and now let's select the last number, 9. So I type 2 and 2, and yes, it is 9, and I equal it to a number like 25, and then I want to see a, and now we can see my number or 9 changed to 25. So we import Numpy, created an array, select one of our indexes, and show data that have that index in our array. And then we go a little deeper and select a part of our array and change it to a new number.